Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing unbagging. We've already unbagged it in the last episode. We had a set of 2 special drill diamond painting off canvas items. And in the last episode, we took a look at these beautiful heart keychains. There's a set of 5 keychains. They're absolutely beautiful. So if you missed that, please go take a look at it, and there will be a link up here. And that video went long, so I decided to do the second half in a separate video. So this is a set of also off drill diamond painting crafts. These are keychains. Now these are all from Amazon.ca. And this 10-piece set is from the E-Kit store. So 3 E's and the word kit all in one word. E-Kit. The E-Kit store. It's like a mouse named that store. E-Kit. So anyway, E-Kit. I'm being silly. So these were $23.99 on Amazon. I normally wouldn't pay that much because I can get these, like this kind of thing, a lot cheaper at Fan Sales. But Fan Sales has like a month shipping pretty well because it's coming all the way from China. And for Amazon, I always click the Amazon Prime thing, and I get things like within 2 or 3 days. I don't have next day shipping where I am, or same day shipping. So it usually takes about 2 or 3 days for me to get something. So anyway, this set comes with 5 hearts and 5 butterflies. And like I said, we already looked at the heart. So now we're going to look at the butterflies. I'm excited because I've never tried the butterflies before. I'm losing my voice. I'm so sorry. So we have the regular toolkit with the green boat, red wax, pink pen. It's your standard ordinary toolkit. Let's put that down. And we have our keychain holders. And they come with 2 pieces with a little chain and the little top thing. And you have to just put them together, but it's really easy to put them together. Now, some of these aren't great. And my other one broke. When I was doing this, the whole thing broke because it was stuck. But all the others worked. So I'll just test them all. And if I have any that break, I do have other ones that I could use. I have another set. So yeah, but these seem okay so far. Hang on. I need a sip of my coffee. I am so sorry. I've got a sore throat, you guys. I hope I'm not getting sick. I had to go out yesterday, and I hardly ever go out in public anywhere because I've got really bad asthma, and I struggle with my breathing when the seasons change. But I had to go put my winter tires on my car, so I went in there. And then I went to the pet store, and I picked up some birdseed for Smokey. And there was a cat and a rabbit at the pet store, and I'm allergic to cats and rabbits, but I love cats and rabbits. Like, I love all animals. So I went and said hello to the rabbit, but I couldn't pet it because it was in a container where you couldn't put your hand in. But the cat was in a cage where you could put your fingers in, so I was petting the cat. But I carry hand sanitizer in my purse, and I only pet the cat for 2 minutes, and it was a beautiful black cat. And I told the cat and the bunny both, I really hope and pray you get a home for Christmas. A beautiful, good, safe home for Christmas. And then I washed my hands, bought my bird seeds, and left. So I'm hoping that the sore throat, the runny nose, and everything is just because I was exposed to allergens, and cats and rabbits are really bad allergies for me. Cats and rabbits, for some reason, are very similar. Cats, rabbits, and horses are my worst animals to be around. But anyway, I love them, so I can't stay away. Like, I love them so much. But anyway, I'm hoping that the reason I have a sore throat and itchy eyes and everything is just from being exposed to those allergies. And now back to the video. I'm sorry, I'm so spacey, you guys. I took an allergy pill. Anyway, so we have our beautiful butterflies. Aren't they pretty? So let's look at them one at a time. And let's move this stuff so I have somewhere to put them. And let's tilt this down a little bit. So we have this beautiful butterfly with the darker colors. And sometimes I like when there's darker colors because it makes the brighter colors really pop. And there's the D's and the P look like they're a little bit bigger drills. And the rest are smaller. And it's a nice thick acrylic. There's a hole in here for the keychain. So I think these are going to be lovely. And we have a red one Now, it's hard to see what these are going to look like until you do them, because even though it shows you the color, it really makes a big difference when something's done. Like, let me just grab, I'm just testing how to package these. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with this. I might put some ribbon, but I've got a bunch of chocolates and candy in here, and here's the heart for one of the gifts. Do you think that looks okay? But, or should I put it inside and wrap it in tissue? I don't know. But the whole reason I'm showing you is you can't really tell how beautiful these are going to be until they're done. Like, and I know this heart's much bigger and it's different, but they look very flat like this, even though you can see the colors. And then once you put the drills on, they're just, wow. Like, talk about bling, right? So, let me know if you think that's a good idea. It's in a little Santa bag with some chocolates and candies, a candy cane, and then the heart, and I would put ribbon. You think that's okay? Because the paper bags were really expensive, and I know plastic is not good, but it says this is biodegradable. I don't know if that's true. And I got like a whole set of these for the same price that I would have got one little paper bag. So, yeah. Anyway, let's go back to this red one. I'm all over the place, you guys. And this is like a blue, maybe purple. It's hard to tell until you do it. It seems a little bit faded. And this side seems a little bit more clear. But this has a lot of big drills on it. And I love when they have the big drills. And here's another butterfly. And I might do this butterfly set. I might do a set of 4 for my mom. And give one to my Auntie Judy because she loves butterflies. I don't know. Because I did a lot for my mom already this year. So aren't these going to be beautiful? So I love when there's the bigger drills. I can't wait to do these actually. I'm working on a really big diamond painting now from Make Market. And I'm hoping I can get it done in time. And I'm working on some painting. I've never painted with, I'm doing acrylic wooden ornaments, and they're coming out really nicely so far. So I hope, I still have to do the trees. I did the background, and now I have to do the trees. So I'm just so busy, and I'm so scattered and all over the place. I usually do things one at a time, but I'm thinking, well, I better get the small things done, because I don't know if I'll get the big one done on time. I really don't. But I know I can get the small things done. Only what, 10 or 11 days till Christmas while I'm recording this. So here are the drills. They're in another secondary package. And I can never, am I the only one that can never find how to open these? Like, I feel like I'm the only one. Other people must be really good, or they edit out while they're fumbling to look for the opening. Look, and even though I found it, I'm having a hard time. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm like literally, I'm going on like 4 hours sleep, and my allergies are going crazy, and oh, I shouldn't be recording, but I have to record so I could do the unboxing so I could start these. Because normally I would have waited a day or two till I was feeling a little bit better. Like, I'm not sick, I'm just really spacey more than usual. And I'm usually pretty spacey, so this is not good. So this goes up to 7 with numbers, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 colors for the butterflies. The heart's at 21 colors. Our packets. Not necessarily colors, but packets. All right, let's take a look. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous blue. I love that so much. That is beautiful. And we have this light purple. Also pretty. We have some regular black. We have some silver. I call it silver even though it's like a clear white. It looks silver to me. I don't know why. We have some yellowy gold. Beautiful pink. I love pinks. Can you see that? What's better? With my hand? Without my hand? I can't tell. So you guys will be seeing this hopefully on a big screen like a laptop. If you're watching this on your phone, I apologize. Because I'm looking at this right now on my phone and I'm having a hard time seeing it. I watch everything on my laptop when I'm watching your videos. I've got a nice 17-inch screen. What do you guys watch on? I like these reds and pinks, don't you? The reds are so nice and Christmassy, but oh my god, I love that pink. Oh, that's pretty too. That's kind of like a, would you call that a teal? An emerald green. Beautiful. Oh, I like these. I like these little white ones that have the little, they have like little stars in the middle. They remind me of those shells you could get on the beach. What are they called? And when you open them up, they have little doves inside. You guys know what I'm talking about on the beach? Like an ocean beach, not a lake beach. Oh my gosh, my brain. But anyway, they remind me of those. They're so pretty. We've got some bigger red ones. And these color, multicolor. I always want to call these peacock color. And these beautiful blue round ones. I'm going to really have to learn what this shape is one day. But that's a beautiful color. I like the multicolor tones. Like, aren't these gorgeous? Please, someone tell me what shape this is. Skinny diamond, I always call it. But I know it has a name. Because I used to want a ring with that shape. And the ring had a name for that shape of diamond. I can't remember. These are teardrop. I know that. And these big long ones, the gold. See, I love that color. Yeah, this is the one I call peacock. That's different from the other ones, right? Yeah. But they all have that multicolor, like that multicolor in them. See these three shades? I really like that. These are so beautiful. But yeah, these are the ones that remind me of peacocks. The colors. And these beautiful blue. Isn't that gorgeous? So you guys, if you are still with me, listening to me ramble, I really appreciate it. And I thank you. And I'm sorry that I'm so distractible today. Yeah, my head, I feel like I'm swimming through thick porridge. Like, my eyes are so watery. Everything right now. You ever open your eyes when you're swimming underwater, but you're not wearing a face mask or like a snorkel? That's how it feels. It's like I feel like I'm swimming through water because my eyes are so watery because of my allergies. And I did take like an extra allergy pill, and I took my nose spray and my puffers and everything. And I feel fine. I'm not having trouble breathing. I'm breathing okay now. I had trouble last night. But it's like everything's like, ooh. So I gotta finish my paintings later. And even now, I can't diamond paint like this because I can't see well enough, even with my glasses on. Because everything is like dreamy and weird. So thank you so much for putting up with me, you guys. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And leave your comments. I really love reading your comments. All right, guys. Most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And happy crafting. Bye for now.